Good morning, good morning. First, I'd like to say thank you for being here supporting my first annual Fore Golf Celebrity Golf Tournament. All the proceeds that we raised this morning will go to support our youth and senior initiatives. We know through the pandemic has hit our communities hard, and we, as my office, wants to step up and make sure that we're providing those much needed resources. So thank you again for being here, and I hope everybody have a great time. Thank you.